Hey everyone, welcome back to another Kubernetes tutorial. Today we are going to break down some of the key features of Kubernetes and why it is such a game changer for a developer and a system administrator. If you are just getting into Kubernetes or wondering why it's used in nearly every modern cloud setup, this video will clear things up for you. So let's get started. Kubernetes can automatically manage your containers from starting them, stopping them, scaling them, and restarting them if something crashes. For example, imagine you are running a web application with three backend services. If one crashes, Kubernetes notice it and spin up a new one to replace it. You don't have to do anything. This means less manual work and more uptime. Self-healing. Kubernetes has built-in self-healing features. It always checks the health of your container and node. If container stops responding, Kubernetes restart it. If a node like a VM goes down, it reschedules the container to other healthy nodes. It's like having a 24/7 assistant that watches over your infrastructure. Horizontal scaling. Scaling app up or down is a super easy with Kubernetes. You can scale your services manually with a simple command or automatically based on your CPU or memory usage. For example, if your website starts getting a ton of traffic, Kubernetes can automatically add more pods to handle the load, then scale down when traffic drops. Rolling updates and rollbacks. With Kubernetes, you can roll out updates without a downtime using a rolling updates. It slowly replaces old version with a new one pod by pod. If something breaks, you can easily roll back to a previous version. It is perfect for dev team deploying often but needing stability. Service discovery and load balancing. Kubernetes handles the internal networking for you. It gives your container DNS name and load balance traffic between them. No need to hard code IP address or manually configure load balancer. Everything just works even if pod comes and go. Secrets and configuration management. You can store password, API keys and config safely using a Kubernetes secret and config maps. This keeps a sensitive data out of your application code and version control. Plus, you can update the config without restarting your app. Namespaces for multi-tenancy. Namespaces let you split your Kubernetes cluster into isolated environment, perfect for teams, projects, or even different environments like dev, test, and prod. It helps to avoid resource conflicts and keeps things organized. One of the best thing about Kubernetes is that it's a platform independent. You can run it on a AWS, GCP, Azure, or even on your local server. That gives you a flexibility and avoids a vendor lock-in. Declarative configuration. You describe your entire application setup using YAML file. This makes a deployment repeatable, version controlled, and easy to manage. Want to spin up the same application in staging or production? Just use the same YAML file. Kubernetes has a huge ecosystem. You can extend it with the custom controllers, operators, custom resource definition, CRDs, and plugins. And since it's a open source, you benefit from a large and active community. So to recap, Kubernetes offers automated orchestration, self-healing, easy scaling, safe deployments, built-in load balancing, secure config management, multi-tenant support, cloud flexibility, declarative setup, extensibility. Whether you are a DevOps engineer, backend developer, or a system administrator, these features can save time, improve stability, and make your infrastructure future-proof. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.